Find features that distinguish it from other brands for Andromeda Insight's Galaxy V2 gaming PC. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because main features are include. Andromeda Insight's gaming systems are built for performance and reliability. From casual computing to pro esports, our systems are used by all. We stand behind our computers and we are there to support them every step of the way. Parts. Our computers are built with care and are protected for 2 years. We want you to rest easy knowing that we are there to protect your computer against early component failures. Labor and service. With our lifetime service and labor support, we will be right there to protect your computer for as long as you choose to keep it. Packaged with care. We understand how important it is for your computer to arrive in the same condition it left our warehouse. Our computers are meticulously packaged to ensure we can provide a safe shipping experience for all of our computers. Exhaustive stress testing. Each computer undergoes our extensive internal testing to detect early hardware failures. We closely stress test all hardware to verify system integrity. Performance beyond the stars. Harness the power of the cosmos with Andromeda Insight's gaming PCs. Our gaming systems are equipped with powerful processors and graphics cards, specially designed for gaming excellence. With blazing fast clock speeds and multiple cores, your gameplay will be smoother and more immersive than ever. Andromeda Insight's RX 9070 XT high-performance gaming PC. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.